Okay, in this video I'm going to talk about how to read information from an SQLite database. Let's update our user interface. Here we need another button. Let's set some constraints. This is gonna be a show data. We need another button, and this is gonna be update. We need another, we need to specify the constraint for this update button. We need another button. This is a delayed, this is for a delayed operation. So we need to specify the constraint. Also right and left constraints. Let's call this button delayed. Probably let's gonna change the name of this one to show, and we need to set the ID for each of these buttons. This is gonna be btn show. This is yes, let's choose yes. This let's call this button btn update, and let's call this button btn delayed. Let's change the width for each of these new buttons to 167 dp. Now we need a little bit more space between these buttons. Let's choose 24. Yeah, well, probably 32. Also 32 for the update button, and 32 for the delay button. So this is our interface for this project. So let's go back to the database helper. Well, this is our method to get all the information. So we need to update the main activity. Let's add a on-click property for this show button. Here we have the on-click property, and let's call this on-click property get all data, and we have to create the method for the get all data. We don't need this, and here let's change the name to get all data. Okay, so now we need a cursor, and this cursor is equal to database helper get all data. We need to import this class, And now we're gonna use a string buffer object to store all the information coming from the database. And we're gonna use a while loop to read the information. This is gonna be cursor move to next. And here it's gonna use the buffer, and let's append the name like this. And here let's specify a line break, and this is it. Oh, now we have to show the information that we just got from the database. In this case we're going to use a toast, but here we're going to pass this buffer. And that's it. Let's run our project. Okay, here we have our program. So let's press this to get the information. Oh, it seems that we have an error here. So here choose get string instead of get column name, is get string, and 1, because 1 is the name, is the column name. So let's run it again. Okay, press this one, and here we have the information. Let's enter another name, volleyball, insert, data inserted. Let's show it. Here we have the new sport. So this is how we insert, this is how we show data from SQLite.